Hello everybody, good morning. Welcome to my live Facebook live. Today is day 26. So we were discussing about manifesting money, right? So we discussed 2 steps and today is step 3. So step 3 is about how to develop a wealthy mind, right? So what is this wealthy mind? So in the previous step, so we discussed how we had to focus on these removing the negative thoughts, right? So negative thoughts around the money and the limiting beliefs, any limiting beliefs or any money blocks we have, right? So developing wealthy mind starts from that step. Okay, so you focus. If you have already not done this recognizing your money blocks and what you think about money, please go back and think about it and write down what all you think around money. So what are the limiting beliefs you have around money? Please think about that and write down. So developing wealthy mind starts from there. First of all, recognizing these money blocks or any negative thoughts around the money. Okay, so next is you have to think like a wealthy mind or think like a rich man thinks. So what is this? So I'll give you an example. So a poor mind will think like this. Okay, when some person is in this debt, loan, everything, so that person will think like, oh, what is this? I am in a mess. I cannot come out of this. It always happens with me that whatever I do, I fail. Wherever I go, I find all negative things. I attract only negative things. So all these kinds of negative thoughts are going around this person, and that person doesn't have any confidence, and he doesn't know that he is thinking negative, and this is affecting him, the mindset. So this is how the poor mind thinks. So instead, how this wealthy mind, the person with wealthy mind thinks is, so he thinks that, oh, whatever I am making is my making, and yes, I may find failures in my actions or whatever I am doing. Sometimes I may find failures, but many times I am successful. So let me focus on the successes. Okay, and even though I fail sometimes, so I learn so many lessons. Let me focus on that. So this is how wealthy mind thinks, right? So this is how you have to develop. You have to develop the wealthy mind. Remember, you manifest not what you want. You manifest what you believe in. So main thing is you have to believe that you can have so much of money. Not only the money, whatever you want to achieve in life, you want to have this mindset that I can have. If you only do not have any confidence, then who will have, right? So you have to develop. It is not, sometimes some people may have that in them, but you can develop that. So slowly you can reprogram how you think. So you can develop that definitely. Okay. So how to do that? So remember how to develop this wealthy mind. I guess I have told in previous videos, I guess. So what you think, your thoughts determine how you feel, and how you feel determine how you behave, and how you behave, so that turns into your actions. So if you take care of your thinking, your thoughts, automatically you will be feeling positive. Okay, if you have only like majority of the time you have these positive thoughts, that turns into positive feelings, and that will turn into your behavior also. It projects positive, and thereby the actions you take also, it takes you to the positive actions, and finally whatever you want you can get. So you have to focus on these thoughts, and you have to be careful what you think. Okay, so the 2 things you have to take care when you want to develop wealthy mind is that start to focus on your thoughts and be aware of your thoughts. So whenever you have this negative thoughts, like I gave the example of this poor mind, poor person, or the person who thinks poor, that mind, then how you think, and the wealthy mind person thinks how. So you have to train your mind to think like that, this wealthy mind. That is the first thing you have to do. So what you can do is, so yeah, it is difficult. So if you are used to thinking certain way, it is difficult to train your mind to think the other way. So what you can do is, to make it easy, is you write down. Okay, write down. So you can sit and think, what is that mostly I think? Okay, so what is that when money comes, what is the story I am telling myself? Write it down. Okay, write it down in a book and look at it. If negative, that mind, okay, that poor thinking mind comes, some thoughts are there, then you change it. So write down what is the alternate thoughts you want to write. Write down how wealthy mind thinks, and write down so few lines which you can practice. So you write down those lines, on those lines, like I said the example, or on your own words. So you think like, yes, it is in my hand, I can do it. All the positive thoughts which will motivate you think like a wealthy mind. And even though I fail sometimes, I learn from those, and those lessons are invaluable, precious, and that will take me to manifesting money. So like that, any lines which will help you to think positive and think like wealthy mind, you write down, and daily you can read. So when you read, automatically you can just think like that, like those thoughts will come. So that is how you can practice. So that is the first thing. And second thing is, again, notice the negative thoughts come into your mind, and also consciously you have to change the channel. So that we all we do that, right? So if we want to have this positive outlook, positive mindset, set the positive mindset, usually what we do, so we just whenever we are in this negative thought mode, then we consciously, like, we change it, right? We are aware of that, and we know how it affects us, and we change that, right? So that is the second step to make that mind think like a wealthy mind. Be aware of that. So change the channel. So for example, you are watching the TV, and you are so many channels are there. You are in this particular channel, some channel, we will call that as negative news channel or negative channel. So there what happens, always these are going on. Okay, negative news is telecast. So all these murders and whatever negative is going on, that is there. What will you do? So you don't like that, then you change the channel. You change this to positive fun channel. It is called fun channel. Okay, you change it to positive channel, fun channel, where what is telecast there? All these fun things and comedy things and positive news and motivational speeches, all these are telecast. So remote is in your hand. You can change from this negative channel to fun channel, positive channel, whatever you name it. In the same manner, you just imagine, okay, your mind is the TV channel, okay, and how you think, it is in your hand, right, remote. So whenever these negative thoughts are coming, you change it to positive channel, okay. So again, it takes practice. Again, you can write down on the left column, you write down whatever negative thoughts, okay, or else don't write down, just write negative thoughts, and right side you have to write. So when some negative thoughts comes to my mind, what alternate thoughts I will think. So on the right side you write that. So if you write, what happens, it helps in a way that energy flows, okay, from your hand. When you write, that energy flows and it writes in your brain also. So remember, when in our childhood we used to write, I used to write, I love writing now also. So I used to write notes. Okay, why do these teachers give us like you had to, even though it is in the textbook, already it is in the textbook, why you had to write in your notebook? Because we had to on our own word, like own handwriting. If you write, it helps. It definitely helps. Same way, if you want to practice this, okay, to change the channel to positive, then you better write down. So write some examples of positive thoughts you want to replace whenever you find yourself in thinking negatively. It takes time and you slowly practice, and it is not easy. It takes time, and I am not telling that. So once you practice, you don't think negative. It is natural. Mind will think negative. It is natural, but if you practice this, it is easy for you to switch from that negative thought mode to positive thought, right? So, and in a way, it will reprogram your brain, right? If you practice more and more, practice makes anything permanent, right? So that way you can practice anything. You practice this. So in this step 3, to develop wealthy mind, what you have to do is, first step is be aware of the negative thoughts, right? Be aware of that, what you are thinking, okay? And be aware of those thoughts. And second step is to switch from negative thoughts to positive thoughts. Practice that, okay? And by this you will reframe your mind. So if you are thinking this way, remember these thoughts, whatever thoughts, this will lead to your feelings, this will lead to your how you behave, this will lead to your actions. So like this, if you change your mind to wealthy mind, obviously it will change your this thing to the wealthy thinking mind. So it will help you to manifest not only money, whatever you want in life. And remember, you manifest not what you want, but you manifest what you believe in. So this was step 3, okay? I hope you like this and practice this as much as possible. Not only for manifesting money, even for other things it helps, okay? And also to keep you in positive mindset, this helps. So do these steps, and we will we will take up step 4 tomorrow, okay? So have a great Sunday, and please let me know what do you think of these steps, and did you practice step 1, step 2, and have you seen those? Otherwise, please see the videos in the replay, and also you can watch that in my YouTube channel, Transform Your Life with Coach Nalini. So see you tomorrow, okay? Have a great Sunday and take care. Bye bye.